So in this video, we're going to talk about complements and supplements, or as we say, you might have heard the terms, complementary angles and supplementary angles, okay? So what are complements? So two angles of positive measure are called complements or complementary angles if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. For example, an angle of measure 40 degrees and an angle of measure 50 degrees are complements. Okay. Same way, we have something called supplements. Okay. Now another thing, obviously this is in degrees, but if it was radian, then their angle measure should add up to pi over 2. Okay. In supplements, two angles of positive measure are called supplements, or supplementary angles if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees or pi radians. Okay, so as an example, 100 degrees and an angle of 80 degrees are supplements. So let's look at an example. So what we want to do in this example is we're given two angles and we want to find the complement and the supplement of that angle. Okay, so the first angle is 73 degrees. So what we want to do is we want to see what angle adds up with 73 degrees to give us 90 degrees, right? So so let that angle be x. So for the complement, we can say 73 degrees plus x equals 90 degrees, or I could also think about it as x equals 90 minus 73, which comes out to be 17 degrees. Okay, and then for the supplement, we want them to add up to 180 degrees. So I have 73 degrees plus y equals 180 degrees, or equivalently I can say y equals 180 minus 73, which is 107 degrees. Okay. Now, let's look at 110 degrees. So what's the complement of 110 degrees? Well, note that to be a complement, two things need to happen. The angles have to be positive and they have to add up to 90 degrees. This angle is already greater than 90 degrees, right? So if I want something else to add up to 90 degrees, that angle would have to be negative, and we know that it cannot happen. So since this angle is greater than 90 degrees, it doesn't have a complement, so there is no complement for this angle. So for an angle to have a complement, it has to be less than 90 degrees. If it is equal to 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees, that angle can never have a complement. Okay? But this angle is less than 180 degrees, so we can definitely find the supplement. And so for the supplement, Well, the supplement is going to be 180 minus 110, which is 70 degrees. So the supplement of this angle is 70 degrees.